We're going to run through some of the trigonometric functions here. So on the back, you'll see our S scale, and the forward scale is for sine, and the backward scale is for cosine. However, you'll see that it starts around 5.7 here. So S for sine and cosine. The forward scale starts around 5.7 and then goes to 90. So if we wanted to use for small angles, sine and tangent are approximately equal, so you'd use this ST scale. So let's run through some calculations just to demonstrate. So let's do sine of 33. Sine of 33, so I'm going to move my cursor over to 33. We've got 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. And then flip it over, and you'll see on the C scale, that's the middle scale right there, I have 5.45 approximately. And because this is sine 33 and it's going to be less than 1, we have 0.545, which is the correct answer. Okay, cosine 33. Cosine 33 is using this backwards scale. So there's 50, there's 30, 31, 32, 33. So right about there on our C scale, or on our S scale there. Flip it over, and again read off of that C scale on the end. We have 8.123, just before 8.4. If we look at our calculation, it's just before 0.84. Tangent of 33. Now tangent uses a different scale, so tangent is going to use this T scale. And tangent goes between 0 and 45 moving forward. So you'll see here, we're starting at 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. all the way till we get to 45, and then it reverses and goes from 45 to 50, 55, 60, 65, etc. So tangent of 33, that's going to put us right 31, 32, 33. And then read off of our C scale on the other side. So 0.6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, almost 0.65. And yes, sure enough, 0.65, 0.649 is what we've got for tangent. Let's do some small angles. So sine, we're going to do a small angle, so that's going to be our ST scale. So sine of 4, let's move to, on our ST to 4, it's going to be right there. And then flip it over, and we've got almost to 7. And again, this is going to be smaller, so 0.0 and then almost to 7. So 0.068, 0.07, that's about what we've got. Now tangent, when we get to that inverse tangent, 56, we're looking at our T scale, we're going backwards. So 56 would be right there. We've got 55 and then 56. And then when we flip it over, instead of looking at our C scale, we are going to look at our CI scale. So our CI scale starts here. It goes 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 1.45, about 1.475, yeah, approximately. And our calculation was 1.483, so we're roughly in the neighborhood there. So that's sine, cosine, and tangent.